Hey guys, LechK here, in the middle of building my outdoor bench slash squat rack setup. I just finished doing my new pull-up bar setup here. I have a video on how to build this as well, but in this smaller section here we're gonna have our bench and the squat rack, and I want to do a quick review on this LIONSCOOL barbell I just picked up on Amazon. I was going through a bunch of different ones trying to figure out which one I want. This one's rated for 500 pounds, which is more than I'll ever need. And it's the full-size 7-footer, I believe 40 or 45 pounds, in all black. I'll put a link to it below. But this is the one that they had great reviews. It was shipped safely, which looks like it is because it didn't come apart like a lot of people complain. These barbells arrive all damaged. But let me open it up, show it to you guys, and then we'll test it out. And look at it, came in its own heavy cardboard tube, which is a nice plus. I believe this is the free workout guide they give you. That's not going to help us much outside, but it's a nice cool little plus if you're doing an indoor home gym. So that's pretty cool. I'll give you guys a picture of that in a second. Some care instructions, full specs of the bar. I'll post a picture of that in a sec. And now let's open the bar itself. Quick close up. That's pretty good spin. A little rattle, but a little bit grease can fix that. I actually like that. The curling and curling, whatever you call the grip, it's pretty rough here on the inside, but this is actually pretty smooth. Gotta wipe off some of the oil. But it's definitely a comfortable grip. It won't cut you up. I actually would prefer if it was more cutting like the inside here. It's hard to show, but this is short. But this is comfortable, so for indoor, it's definitely great. And then smooth green finish with you protected. The tips have clips here. You can see. But I'll set up the bar and show you guys the bar in action. Temporary bench. Looks good. See how much weight. Weight is not a problem. So it's been a couple of months since I put this up, and I never finished the video for you guys. So the bench is holding up fine. I haven't even been hanging the bar up on the storage thing here. I'm just keeping it like this. And as you see, it's holding up fine. Slam this down. This is not coming down.